Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Systems Manager patching on VDS, full guide step by step clearly. To enable AWS Systems Manager patching on your virtual desktop service, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service. In the left navigation pane, select Patch Manager. Click on Patch Baselines to create a new patch baseline. Choose Create Patch Baseline. Enter a name and description for your patch baseline. Select the operating system type for your virtual desktop service. Define the approval rules for your patch baseline. Set the approval delay as per your organization's policy. Add any additional patches if required. Save the patch baseline after completing these steps. Next, go back to the left navigation pane and select Managed Instances. Ensure that your virtual desktop service instances are visible and managed by Systems Manager. If they are not appearing, verify that the AWS Systems Manager agent is installed and the instances are correctly configured. Now, return to Patch Manager. Click on Create Patch Group. Provide a name for the patch group and associate it with your newly created patch baseline. Save your patch group. Next, navigate to Maintenance Windows in the left pane. Click on Create Maintenance Window. Enter a name, description, and define the schedule for the maintenance window. Specify the duration for the maintenance window. Add the target by selecting your patch group as the target. Configure the task by choosing Scan or Install based on your patching needs. Specify the IAM role that has permission to execute these tasks. Review the configurations and proceed to create the maintenance window. Finally, monitor the patch operation within the Systems Manager console. Check the compliance and ensure that all instances are patched as per your defined schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.